If you are thinking about learning a new language, you have probably come across Rosetta Stone. It is one of the oldest and most popular language learning apps, but is it still worth using today? In this quick review, I'll cover its features, pros, cons, pricing, and who it's best for. And for now, let's get started. What is Rosetta Stone? Rosetta Stone is a language learning platform that teaches over 20 languages, including Spanish, French, German, Italian, Japanese, and Arabic. Unlike many competitors, Rosetta Stone uses an immersive teaching method, and instead of translating words into your native language, it teaches through pictures, audio, and context, helping you think directly in the language you are learning. Key features: Immersive learning method. Lessons focus on matching images, words, and spoken phrases. This helps build natural language recognition without relying heavily on translations. True accent speech recognition. Rosetta Stone includes a pronunciation tool called True Accent, which analyzes your speech and provides feedback to help improve your accent. Structured lessons. The courses follow a clear progression from beginner concepts to more advanced topics, making it easy to stay organized. Mobile and desktop access. You can learn on your smartphone, tablet, or computer, and lessons can be downloaded for offline learning. Pros. First, the app has one of the best pronunciation training systems available. Second, the lessons are professionally designed and easy to follow. Third, the interface is clean, beginner friendly, and free from distractions. And finally, the lifetime subscription option can be a good value for long term learners. Cons. The biggest drawback is that the immersive approach can feel slow and repetitive, especially for learners who prefer direct explanations. Another downside is the limited focus on real life conversations compared to apps like Duolingo Max, Babbel, or Busuu. The app also provides less grammar instruction than some competitors, which may frustrate learners who like detailed explanations. And while Rosetta Stone is effective for building foundations, advanced learners may eventually need additional resources. Pricing. Rosetta Stone offers subscription plans as well as a lifetime access option that includes all available languages. While it's generally more expensive than some competitors, the lifetime plan can be attractive if you plan to learn multiple languages over several years. Who should use Rosetta Stone? Rosetta Stone is best for complete beginners, learners focused on pronunciation, people who enjoy structured lessons, anyone interested in learning multiple languages through one platform. It may not be ideal for learners who want fast conversational practice or detailed grammar explanations. Final verdict. So, is Rosetta Stone worth it? For beginners, the answer is yes. It offers high quality lessons, excellent pronunciation training, and a proven learning system that has helped language learners for decades. However, if your main goal is speaking with native speakers quickly or learning through conversation, you may find apps like Babbel or Busuu more practical. Overall, Rosetta Stone remains a solid language learning app in 2026 and earns a strong recommendation for beginners. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with likes, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.